Hey friends, in today's video I am going to show you how you can delete a project in Google Cloud Console. So first of all, head to Chrome or any browser you are using. Then type Google Cloud Console, or you can find this link in my description box. Simply go to this website and you will see an interface like this. So here you will see all sorts of options. If you don't get an interface like this, so what can you do? First of all, let me get into my Ignito mode, and if I search here Google Cloud Console, and then on the first link I will click on it, and you will see interface like this. You have to simply at the top right corner sign in button, you have to press on it and you have to sign in. Now to delete a project you have to click on this option, and here you will see all the programs or all the projects you have created here. So for example, I am going to delete this next one. So to delete this, what I will do, I will press on it and then I will go to the three dots that are here, and what I will do here is I will click on the settings button. When I click on the settings button, you can see an interface like this. I will again select my project which I have to delete, and then here at the top you can see shutdown option. I will press on it, and then I will copy this text using Ctrl C, and in the box I will paste it using Ctrl V and click delete or shut down, and here you can see my project will be deleted on this date. So this is the process how you can delete a project in Google Cloud Console. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked this video. See you in the next one.